Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick, basically a re-unboxing. I didn't film it earlier because I was actually just getting off work and really wasn't in the mood to just set up my phone and start doing all that. I was just anxious to see my watch. I have Invicta Pro Diver with blue dial, model number 35844. Let's open her up. As you can see, I already opened it. Like I said, I was working today. Was not in the mood to set my camera up and do all that riffraff of, making the unboxing video. So there we go. Move that to the side. When it came in, it was a little bit sloppy. I don't like how that happened, but it is what it is. I guess my attitude is, as long as the watch comes intact and not broken, then I'm happy. That's all that matters. So here we go. So 40 mm has a Seiko movement. Of course, I have to take the links out. This is 40 mm. This is my first 40 millimeter watch, or dive watch rather. Normally, I like getting the bigger sizes, but I really like the dial on this. It's kind of a rare dial to have, at least for a pro diver. It's not necessarily the standard blue one. See, it has that more like deep sea dweller kind of colors on the dial. So yeah, loom is pretty basic. It's nothing spectacular. Let me see if I can do a quick loom shot. Hasn't been fully charged, but you get the basic idea. It's nothing really spectacular. It's pretty much your run-of-the-mill standard loom for these model price watches. So yeah, I wasn't really expecting much. If anything, I was just, the selling point for me was the blue dial. Really like that. Like I said, I really don't have any watches that have this kind of blue dial on it, and so far I only have like one watch with a blue dial. And one of my goals in my watch collection is to have more watches with blue dials on them. So yeah, I'll put the watch down for a second. Again, you got the big box Invicta. You got the cleaning cloth. I actually didn't see this till now. Cleaning cloth. I'm glad that came with it. Has the warranty card in it with a construction. I'm gonna hide that away. I usually hide those away in the little folder pouch thingy right there. So anyways, I'm gonna go look on the back real quick. There you go. Movement. More up close. It doesn't feel cheap. It actually feels pretty nice. I only paid about total with everything, tax and all, about $103 American. So yeah, I mean, this, I don't think you can really expect too much from this watch. It is what it is. It's automatic. Like I said a few times already, like the blue dial was a big selling point for this watch. Other than that, I probably wouldn't have got it. I know they have a bunch of the pro divers that are 40 mm. Those aren't really appealing to me. Those I think are more like beater watches, or just to have a quick watch if you're like out and about, like work watch or whatever. So I really try to stay away from those. I mean, if I ever find one that's a good deal, I'll get it, but the dial was a selling point on this one. Also, this automatic. I would not get a quartz in this space with it. And that's another thing. I'm not really big on quartz watches. I mean, some watches that I really like only come in quartz, and it's like, well, you got to settle sometimes. So yeah. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow or Friday, more likely Friday, because I'm going to be kind of busy tomorrow. Take the links out and start wearing this bad boy for a while. So yeah. So once again, that's the Invicta Pro Diver, model number 35844, right there. Gotta get used to those numbers. I always try to start memorizing numbers as soon as I can. But there you go. Anyways, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.